Hello YouTube. To this I don't need to say much, I have written everything out here, and I will just give you a relatively smooth camera flight over it, and probably you can use it somewhere with your boost caps. It's just an overcharge protection circuit that I find works very good, especially with solar cells, 3-volt solar. But I'm sure you can model it to your needs. Okay, that's it. Bye for now.